guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn Windows history. The following details of the history like MS-DOS and Windows operating system designed for personal computer. So first version of Windows was MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. It released in 1981. Basically, Microsoft designed MS-DOS for IBM for their personal computers. Okay, so basically it's related to the disk. Okay, so next is a Windows 1.0 to 2.0. It released in 1985 to 1992. Next is a Windows 3.0 and 3.1 released in 1990 and 1994. And next is a Windows 95. It released in August in 1995. After that, Windows 98 released in June 1998. And next is a Windows ME Millennium Edition released in September 2000. After that, Windows NT 3.1 to 4.0 at 1993 to 1996. So these are the versions of Windows as per releasing date. Okay, so first Microsoft released MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, especially for IBM. Okay, so after that Windows 2000 released in February 2000. After that Windows XP October 2001, Windows Vista in November 2006, Windows 7 in October 2009. After that Windows 8 in August 2012, and after that Windows 10. As you can see, these are the logos of as per version 1.0 released in 1985. The logo is this, the logo is this for 3.1, 95 for this, XP logo is this, Vista is this, 7 is this, 8, and after that 10. Okay, so these are the versions which Microsoft released till today. Okay, so let's discuss the recently released version Windows 10. Okay, so what is Windows 10? Windows 10 is the latest OS operating system version from Microsoft. Windows 10 combines the feature from its two previous versions for making it further user friendly for desktop as well as laptops and mobile devices. Okay. So in Windows 10, Microsoft inherits some properties from their two previous versions and combine the functionality and just create some new functionality for Windows 10s. Okay. So after that, Windows 10 is the most recent version of operating system from Microsoft. Officially, it was released in 2015 and was initially offered free of charge to legitimate users of Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. So this new version combines features from those two previous installations, from those previous installations like Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 to suit the users in a better way for both desktop, laptops, computers as well as mobile device. So if you are going to install Windows 10 in your machine, so there are some main requirements, that is a processor CPU with clock rate of at least 1 gigahertz, at least 1 to 2 GB of memory RAM, but Microsoft recommends 4 GB. Okay, and next is at least 16 GB space in your hard disk. Okay, so after that you can easily install Windows 10 and use Windows 10. So let's come to the live demonstration how it works and what is the user interface of Windows 10. Okay, so this is my desktop, basically a desktop. Okay, just open my computer to see how it look like. Okay, so this is a my computer screen of, there are two devices in my system, local C drive and local D drive. Okay, so there are lots of options. As you, if you want to install some programs or change a program, so you just click to uninstall or change a program. If you want to manage system properties, you have to click on that. Okay, just let me click on that. Okay, so you can see there are lots of settings over there. If you want to change some display settings, okay, click on display. Okay, so this is all about display settings. If you want to orientation, landscape or portrait, it's up to you. So you can change any settings from there. And next is a sound. So you have if you want to set sound statistics or change some settings in the sound, so you can decrease or increase the volume. Okay. And next is the notification and actions. So these are the notification options: tablet mode, network, all settings, nearby sharing, mobile hotspot, focus assist, location, airplane mode, brightness, again night light, Bluetooth, VPN connect, project and bed. So these are the, like some like gadget. Okay, so if you want to put these gadgets here, so you can do easily. Okay, next is a power and sleep. So if you want to change some power settings in your machine, so on like this, on battery power turn off after never. Okay, and when plugged in turn off now after never. Okay, so these are the power settings, you can change, it's up to you. Next is the battery. So battery percentage is 87%. You can see estimated time to full charge is 18 minutes. Okay, next is a storage. So this is the storage statistics. 146 GB used and 118 GB is free, and 103 GB is used and 95.9 GB is a brain data. Okay, next is the tablet mode. If you are, when I am signing, use the appropriate mode for my, from my hardware. Okay, so you can choose, it's up to you. Next is a multitasking. So arrange windows automatically by dragging them to sides or corners on the screen. So these are the some automatic options. So you, when you want to customize your desktop or some do something else, so you can choose these options. Okay, projecting this to this PC, if you want to connect the projectors from your PC, so you can use these options. Okay, so I'll just close this and type settings. So if you want to open the setting, you just type settings and it will open. You can see system settings, device settings, phone settings, networks and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, gaming, ease of access, Cortana, privacy and update and security. If you want to update Windows, so just click on that and you can see there are multiple options in under Windows Update, Windows Security, Backup, Troubleshoot, Recovery, Activation, Find My Device for developers. Okay, so you can click on check for updates, and as you can see you are up to date. Last checked yesterday at 11:49 a.m. So my Windows is up to date, so there is no requirement to update a Windows. If your Windows is not up to date, you have to click on the check for the updates. If it updates automatically, or it's, you can change in the settings, Windows update automatically or you need to update manually, it's up to you. Next is the Windows security. So our protections areas are virus and threat protections, account protections, firewall and network protections, app and browser control, device security, device performance and health, family options. Okay, so next is a backup. So if you want to add more, add a drive, so you can just click on the add button and it will add the drives. So just go to back. Okay, just come on systems. So this is the system setting I have opened earlier. So just go back and click on the devices. So if you want to connect Bluetooth devices, you have to open Bluetooth. Okay, and it's a connected device I have connected earlier. Okay, so next is a printer scanner. If you want to add any printers, just click on add printers. It will search in your network attached printer. Again, will add automatically. Okay. Next is a mouse. If so, this is the mouse settings, touchpad settings, typing. Okay, pen and Windows link. If you want to add handwriting pen in Windows ink. Okay, so this is USB settings. Notify me if there are issues connecting to USB devices. Okay, this is all about the peripheral external devices settings. Okay, just go back, and this is the internet and network settings. So just you can see the connected to the Georgia public network, you are connected to the internet. Okay, so you can change adapter options, sharing options, network troubleshooter. So just click on the change adapter options, so it will open all your connected networks and dummy networks as well. Okay, you have, if you want to change that, some see some statistics of your network, just click on that and you can see that what is the IP and what is something else. Okay, so just close this and go back, and this is the Wi-Fi and this is the Ethernet if you want to connect. No Ethernet connected. Okay, I'm talking about in the case of Ethernet is a LAN. Okay, next is dial-up connections, VPN, virtual private network. If you want to add a virtual private network, so it will add using these options. Or if you are using third-party VPN, you have to download their clients to connect to the VPN. Okay, airplane mode, mobile hotspot. Okay, data usage and proxy. So this is all about the internet settings. Next is the personalization. So it's block, I think. No, so if you want to change background, so you have to select the images from here and choose the themes. Okay, so if you want to change the colors, just click on that and it will change. Okay, next is a lock screen. So what lock screen? Windows Spotlight. Okay, so this is the wallpaper name. Themes, you can change the themes. Okay, fonts, if you want to change the fonts in your machine. Okay, so you can change. Okay, just let me click this. Okay, so this is the options and full name of Arial, rounded, empty, bold, and font file. This is the details about the font. Okay, so just go back, and if you want to install or uninstall the apps, just click on that. Okay, so you can see there are lots of applications installed in my machine. Okay, AnyDesk, Adobe Flash Player, Reader, Alarms and Clocks, BitTorrent, Calculators. These are the applications installed in my machine. Cisco Packet Tracer, Cisco WebEx Meeting, CMake, FortiClient. These are the applications installed. If you want to check the size of that applications, and if you want to uninstall that application, select and uninstall from here. So just go back, and this is the account settings. So this is the overall account setting. Just go back, and time and language. So set time automatically off, set time zone automatically off. You can change settings as I have said, the Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Okay, so just go back, and this is the gaming, and click on that. So you can see open game war, Windows plus G, your shortcut. Windows shortcut is this, and you can set your own shortcut as well. Okay, game DVR, broadcastings, game mode, true play. So this is all about the game settings. Okay, so basically Cortana, language permission notification, just click on the Cortana. So basically it's a kind of AI feature for Windows. Okay, so if you like this, when Cortana is on, you can ask her to change settings for you. Try saving things like open lock screen settings, turn on quit hours, turn on battery saver, or open narrator. So this is the Cortana. This is the additional feature in Windows 10. Okay, or as well you can search the settings from here. Just click on the privacy. So you can see there are lots of options here. Set the permissions to the applications. As you can see, the app permission, location, camera, microphone, notification, account info, contacts, calendar, call history, email, task, messaging. Okay, and radios and some other devices, background app. So this is the app permissions which we have already given. So this is the journal, change privacy options. So this is all about, so you can change privacy and permission from privacy options, speech, inking and typing, diagnostics and feedback, active history. So just go back. So this is all about the complete setting of Windows. Okay, so just close this. Okay, and go back. If you want to see that these are the functions, these are the options: open new window, and new process. Okay, and this is the view options, navigate panel. Okay, extra large icons. So this is the icon size. Okay, large icons, list, contents, medium, details. Okay, sort by. So this is, you can see, you can hide the items or as well as show the hidden items from these options. Okay, and change folder and search option. So this is all about the Windows 10. Thank you guys.